All right, hello, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I dropped my phone the other day, so I'm a day or two behind. Show you what I'm doing here. I'm putting a 12-gallon hot water heater in. That one right there. It's a Suburban. I'm going to modify some things. Put the unit back here where it's easy to get to. Now, they had a continuous hot water heater, the Atwood one. It's just a lot of problems with them, and people still don't understand how you got to descale it a lot more than a regular hot water heater. What I'm gonna do is fix that one, make a video, go over some troubleshooting stuff for people that have them. But basically, that's what came in this one. So now I got to put this one. Now I ran a 110 cable, 20 amp, right? So I'll pull this lever just to test it. This is from the hot water panel up there. I gotta cut these lines because that's going to go all the way back in there. I got to move this around a little bit. Okay, so I'll squish it flat a little bit so the flow comes out. And this is a Holiday Rambler on an F53 chassis. Yep. Oh, just to let you know, that's what I was up to. I got shut down for a while on the phone. Had to go spend some ungodly amount of money on it. Show you them. All right. So it's a SW12DE, which is gas and electric. Okay, 12 gas. It ain't hard to do. It's just a little bit of modification. Also got to get the paint code because the stripes are painted on. All right, and then we'll get the paint code and spray the new lid that come with this. All right, so I'm gonna cut these, leave the blue one on. They had the, put you on pause real quick. They had the water bypass valve by Swan Industries. All right, so basically your hot water goes to this one, your cold water comes in, and then it bypasses out. Okay, so there you go. That one was in here. All right, so I still might have to modify this a little bit to fit. All right. Oh yeah, that's the full wall slide that I had to fix and get synchronized. So here we go. And we gotta play around with the door. Right, all this stuff came loose. So what you do is you take them out, clean the threads up, Loctite them, put them in. I use a red Loctite on there. All right. So we're gonna get back to doing this. Ain't much to it. I'll cut the plumbing, like I said. Got to reroute it straight over. I had to bring this right here up. This was the old one, so I had to bring this up level with this to support that, because that's pretty level with that right there, from there to there. All right, you don't want it bouncing, banging. All right, so I'm gonna cut these. I've showed you how to use PEX tubing tools in other videos. All right, thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics showing you the finalization videos. There might be one or two, possibly three. Just look in descriptions. Make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe, because I'm giving away, once I hit 6,000 members, from 5,000 to 6,000, I'm giving away $5,400 worth of prizes. And one of the prizes is cash of $400 or $400 in tools. Your choice. All right, so remember, subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, the little bell, and that way when you get a new video or I put one on, it'll tell you it's on, and you can go, well, that has nothing to do with my RV. All right, thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.